In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send file in Webex. To get started, open the Webex desktop app on your computer or launch the mobile app if that's where you prefer to work. Once you're inside the app, look for the messaging icon, which appears as a speech bubble on the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your direct conversations and group spaces are organized, so it's the right place to go when you want to share a document with someone. Next, choose the contact or group space where you want to send the file. Make sure you're opening the correct conversation before uploading anything, especially if you're working in a team space with multiple people. That way, your file goes exactly where it needs to go, and the right people can access it right away. From here, you have two simple ways to add your file. The quickest method is to drag the file from your computer folder and drop it directly into the message text box in Webex. This is a fast and convenient option if you already have the file visible on your screen. If you'd rather browse for the file manually, click the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip beneath the text box. Then choose the option to upload from your computer, locate the file you want to send, and click Open. This method is especially helpful if your file is saved somewhere you need to search for. Once the file is attached and ready, press Enter on your keyboard to upload and share it with everyone in that conversation or space. After it sends, the file will appear in the chat so others can view or download it as needed. That's all it takes to send a file in Webex. If you follow these steps carefully, sharing documents through messages becomes quick, simple, and reliable.